Hey, we're here, Jerry and I having lunch, and we are talking about the smallest kit for making photographs you can believe. So let's have Jerry explain what he's got. What are we gonna start
So
with, Jerry?
we're going to start out with just the phone. This is obviously the latest iPhone, the 14, but
Right.
anything probably since the 10 all the way up will be perfect.
Yeah.
You can do photos, video, just audio if you're interviewing someone.
It does stop motion,
Panoramas, anything like that. The next thing we got is what do you want me to do? Go with the drone. So the next one is this is the DJI drone. This is the Mavic Mini 3
How small
Pro.
it is.
Very small. It's about the same size. It's actually small, shorter than a phone.
Wow.
Maybe, I don't know, 5 or 6 phone thick. But this does both horizontal, vertical. It's very quiet. You put it up. It's got some nice anti-collision. And it comes, we've got the controller. I recommend the controller only because you don't have to use your phone then. And it also has some built-in features for quick captures, things that are pre-programmed in for it, for time lapses, for different types of circling, target, location kind of stuff. And then the next thing we have would be microphones. So for the audio, we've got the DJI, you've got both the transmitter, and this is the receiver, connects to the phone. So you can get good quality professional audio for interviews if you're going to do video. And then post-processing would be either the phone or, better yet, an iPad with a stand. So here you go. You got all these things here.
Think of the versatility of this.
You could produce quite a bit with this. You could produce a full 3 to 5 minute documentary easy over a weekend. Great for travel, family, professional, for trying to document something for a business.
Awesome. Thanks, man.
No problem.